In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Microworkers account, and this account is best for beginners because the type of task that they're offering, they're so simple. Maybe you can be given a task to sign up on a website and give it a review or just like that. So they're so simple, and to be able to earn or get offers that pay way more, just use a proxy. And for this particular account, this website, I recommend you go for the residential proxy. So go this, you purchase, you'll be billed per GB, okay? So for each GB, it costs you around $2. It depends, but you can click on the view plans and you can see that per GB will cost $3.5 and 3 GB will cost $9. So, but for this one, the residential are the strongest proxies that I can recommend for you to use it on Microworkers. So don't purchase any proxy, go directly for the residential proxy. You've already purchased your proxy. Now let's get into it. Now just head over to the top right corner, click on register, and then this is where you have to fill in everything. But first name is a must and the last name. The middle name is optional and the gender is optional. The company is optional, but the date of birth, you must fill out that one. You must fill in that one, and then the email address also you should fill in, no uppercase letter, so make sure to do that. And then the use a password, make sure it's 8 to 20 characters. And then the address, provide a valid address, a valid home address. And then the country of residence, so which means if you're using a proxy, let's say for an example, I'm using a US proxy, so I'll just come and search for the United States, and then fill out the state or region, city, the zip code, and the address 1. So the address line 2 is not a must. And then after that, we just work subscription. Okay, these are not a must, but you just check out this one by registering. You confirm that you accept the terms and condition. These other ones is not a must. So let me just fill out everything on this end, and then I'll take you to the next step. So once you've already created the account, you can see that your account has been created. The verification email was sent to this address. So what you need to do is go to our email address. Once you've already clicked on the link to verify your account, you'll be taken to this part. Click here to activate your account. So here, just click here to log in. So you just input the email and then the password. You can see that here's the dashboard, and you can see they have a lot of jobs. So the type of tasks that they offer, you can see that mobile app, Snake, download plus install plus test plus honest feedback. That's the task that you're going to do. Okay, so you see that's something a beginner can do. And the most paying, you can see this one will pay you $10 for this task. So the success rate is 71%, so which means there's 71% chance that you can be successful to doing completing this task. So you just find for the ones that they have 100%, like this one, 100% success rate, and you can check out on the remaining task done. So you can see 20 out of 30, 10 out of 30, 30 out of 44. So you can see all from this part. So you can see that that's why I told you, if you're not from this, let's say not from the US, I recommend you use a proxy because you can be able to access all these high paying jobs. Okay, so like for this one, you can do it and get paid $7. For this one, it's mobile Android only, so you just download plus install plus write an honest opinion, so you can see, and then get paid $3, same as to this one, and then this other one. So they offer a lot of tasks. You can see all these tasks are available for you. So the thing is that make sure you followed what I said. Use residential proxy. Don't use the static or the ISP proxy. You'll get your account will be closed once you do there's a test that you're going to do before you actually do this. Actually you do this other tasks. So the other part you need to do, just go click on the account, and then you can see that account verification. So your account isn't fully verified, so you won't be able to accept new jobs until one of these is completed. So you can either verify your PayPal or verify phone number, and then or verify AirTM, any of these. Okay, so what you need to do, so I see that they made some changes, so you just either you can verify the phone number directly, so just click on verify phone number, and then what you need to do on your go download an app called Ping Me. Okay, just go download Ping Me, and then just purchase some few credits. It's not expensive, some few credits. It will cost you like $2, and then what you'll do is go to verification. Don't rent a number, go directly, just request a verification, because on this one text verified won't work, because what you need to do, they will tell you enter your phone number without we have added it. Then once you've entered the number, so let me just let me enter the number. Let me enter a random number and see what they will need you to do next. So enter a phone number, let's say. So let me use that phone, that number. Let's say the invalid format, the number is already taken. So we need to use a valid phone number. So they said that the phone number format it was invalid. So let's use this format and see if it will. Okay, what we'll do is remove this. So let's use this and see if it will work. So I've already figured out the problem. So let's say I'm using this number. We don't need to put any spaces on this one, just like that, and then click on save changes. So you can see phone updated. One last step, you should verify your phone number. Now you just click on verify phone number, and then what they'll say, what they'll tell you, send SMS with activate to this number. So you'll have to copy this number, and then from your phone, so this is the number to verify the phone number. So once you just send a text activate, it will activate the number, the phone number, right? So you can't use do that with text verifier. So one I can recommend, you go to Ping Me, download the app, and then do that. It's simple and easy. So whenever you're going to choose a phone number to verify, look for Microworkers, choose that platform, and then it will give you a phone number. Then you just send a text to this phone, send an SMS to this number, activate, and then come back, your phone number will be activated, and then you can do some other tests before you access the unlock these other jobs. All right, so that's how you do it, and that's how you verify your Microworkers account and access all these jobs. So you can either go for the testing jobs, you can see they have only 2. You can go for the mobile applications, they have so many, and the surveys, they only have 1, which has 100% success. So, and they are paying so much, $1. And then the other one is sign up. So these are the sign up tasks. You just go to the website, sign up, and then plus screenshot, and you submit, get paid 80 cents. And then same as to this one, these are sign up tasks. You just sign up and then submit a screenshot. They'll confirm and then you get paid. So a beginner can do this. Yeah. And then for the transcription, they don't have transcription at the moment. Click search, you can find those. The blogging, there's no any task for blogging, moderation. There's no any task for moderation. And what about translation? So just have to look for that and find that the one that suits you and complete the tasks. Okay, so it's that simple, and any beginner can do this. So go create an account and try your best, but remember, use residential proxy, not the ISP one.